For the longest of time, we all know how YouTube has been strict with the sounds and effects you make. Now you edit a video and you post it, boom, the next thing YouTube tells you is that your video has been worn or your channel has been demonetized, and this is because of the sounds you used on your video. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 proven ways. I'll be showing you and giving you 3 proven ways how you can get non-copyrighted music for your videos. Every single way I'm going to tell you now is something I have tried and people have tried, and yes, I can tell you for free, you are not going to get any kind of copyright restrictions, copyright warning on your channel or on your videos. I have never gotten one single copyright strike or warning on my video, and I use sounds and I use effects. I'm going to show you how I get my sounds, how I get my effects using just 3 methods. So you want to stick to the end of this video. If you do not know me, hi, I'm Oluwatoyin, a content creator, a YouTuber, a freelancer, particularly a social media manager. I help business owners and brands grow their online presence while they focus on making money. And on this channel, I spill the tea about how to make money online, reputation, and every good thing that has to do with life. So if that's something you are all about, if that's something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime I drop a video. So without wasting time, let's move straight into the video. The first way is you investing in paid music licensing platforms. This is the fastest and probably the easiest way to get sounds and effects by using paid music licensing platforms like Epidemic Sound or Soundstripe. Now these platforms, any of these platforms, Epidemic Sound or Soundstripe, they give you access to thousands of sounds and effects without you worrying about copyright claims or copyright restrictions from YouTube. Yes, it is paid for, you are going to be subscribing for it, and you know the best part, once you subscribe, you are completely covered. Like, you are covered. Now even if you cancel later, the sounds you've used, the effects you've used previously on your videos cannot have effects. This is perfect for creators who want high quality music without stressing themselves. You try and invest in paid licensing music platforms like Epidemic Sound or Soundstripe for you to get non-copyrighted music. Now number 2 is YouTube Audio Library. If you are just starting out your YouTube journey, if you are just starting out YouTube and you do not know where to get music from, YouTube Audio Library should be your best friend because it is free. If you want to be on a budget, it is free and it is so easy to use. For you to be able to use this, you need YouTube Studio. If you are a YouTuber or you are an aspiring YouTuber, you do not have YouTube Studio, I want you to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download YouTube Studio. Now for you to be able to access YouTube Audio Library, you are not going to use the app YouTube Studio. Like, you are going to use YouTube Studio but not the app version. You are going to use the Chrome version, not the app version. I want you to go to your Google, like go on Google and type youtubestudio.com or youtube.studio.com. It will take you straight to YouTube Studio. If you've not signed in, you sign in or you log in rather. On the left hand side or on the right hand side, depending on the interface, look straight down, you are going to see YouTube Audio Library. There you can check out thousands of sounds, different genre, R&B, hip hop, African sounds, African folk tales, different kind of sounds you want to use for your vlogs, for sit down videos, different sound. Check it out. And you know the best thing about this, they keep updating their libraries. They keep updating this library every single time it is being updated, so there's nothing like you are going to find the same thing all over and over again. They keep updating it every single time, so that library is always updated. Another way to find non-copyright sounds for your videos, for your channel, is to use YouTube Audio Library. Go to Google and search youtube.studio.com. It will take you straight to YouTube Studio, the Chrome version. By the left hand side of the interface, you are going to see down YouTube Audio Library. Tap on it and you'll find thousands of sounds there for you to use for your videos. you are making vlogs, you are making sit down, is it R&B, is it hip hop? This is the most friendly method if you are budgeting. If you don't really have much but you want to be a YouTuber, this is the best option for you. Number 3, which is channels that offers non-copyrighted music. YouTube channels that offers non-copyrighted music. Now I found this on TikTok. I learned about this on TikTok and I was like, okay, this is actually nice. I tried it once and it worked. Okay, this one is tricky. There are some channels on YouTube that gives non-copyrighted music. Even sometimes those music they even give are copyrighted. You use some of them and you get strikes, you get warnings on your videos. Some of them has copyright restrictions on them. That's why I say it is tricky. But here is the trick I use. I learned it on TikTok and here is the trick I use here. If you go on YouTube, there are some channels that actually what they do is to just be giving you non-copyrighted sounds, not copyrighted music you can use. We have Tipsy Tortu, YouTube audio library is also on YouTube here. We have Streams Beats, like there are a lot of them. Now this is what you should do. Whenever you want to use a sound, you go to the more section, you go to the description bar. Once you check down and you see YouTube actually recognize that particular audio, like YouTube shows you the banner of that particular audio, do not use it. It has copyright claims on it. But if you are using a sound, like if you check a sound and you see something like this icon, like this music icon, or you do not see it at all, you can definitely use that sound. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If you check those channels, you check a channel, let's say Tipsy Turtle, and you see, oh okay, I love this sound, I want to use this sound, go to the description bar. Once you go to the description bar, if you are checking the music aspect and you see, oh okay, this sound, YouTube recognize this sound, YouTube shows you the banner of this sound, do not use it. YouTube recognize it, that means something is wrong. Okay, but if you do not see anything like that, or you saw something like YouTube shows you this music icon, like this music is it icon or music logo, like the thing we know as music logo, that's to show that YouTube did not recognize that particular music. That means it is usable. Okay, you can use that particular music, you can use that type of music. You see why I say it is tricky? It is really tricky. I've tried it once, I was so scared. I tried it once and thank you Jesus, it worked. But I will not advise someone to go in on it and that's the only thing you do. I will not advise you to do it, but that's why I said it is actually tricky to use. So these are the 3 proven ways you can get non-copyrighted sounds for your YouTube videos or your channel. Let me know which one you've tried in the comments, and of course if you have any questions for me, you know where to leave it in the comments. If you find this video valuable enough, please leave a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when next I drop a video like this, because I drop video every week. I'm trying my best to be consistent, so I'm going to be dropping video every single time, every single week.